Welcome to English for Newbie. Let's begin together.
We're excited to learn with you.
It's going to be so much fun. Yeah, let's start now.
Where are my keys? Not under here either. They have to be here somewhere. I left my silver car keys right on this table. Where did they go?
My brown glasses case is completely gone. I left it right here.
This is so strange. My thick pink knitting yarn is missing from my basket.
Nobody panic. We just need to search the living room carefully right now.
But Jason, where do we even start? Everything is missing. Arthur, I looked everywhere. My thick pink yarn has vanished into thin air. My favorite toy car, it's gone.
And my shiny pink ribbons are missing.
Who could have taken them?
I don't know, it's so strange.
We have to find them.
My favorite silver stirring spoon is completely gone, too. Charlie cannot possibly open kitchen drawers. Dad and Grandpa are looking under the big sofa. Charlie always hides his things there.
Shine the bright light deeper, Leo. The missing car keys must be pushed way back. Okay, I'm shining it deeper now. Just a dusty tennis ball and an old rope. None of our missing things are here. You are innocent, aren't you, boy? We have a real mystery on our hands now.
I think we should do something in this situation. If it continues forever, then soon nothing will be left in our house.
Yes, son. Let's think about this.
We have a real mystery thief hiding in our house. We must catch them.
A thief? What do you mean?
I have an idea. We can use my smartphone as a hidden camera to record the sneaky thief.
Good thinking. Place this shiny silver coin right in the middle. It is the perfect bait. Charlie, you have to be a good boy and stay far away from our trap.
The video recording is finally running. Now we just have to wait very quietly.
Now we need to sleep and wait for the next morning. We will find him tomorrow.
I found him! I found him!
He is so fast, but what's the thing? Is it? I need to investigate it.
We must open the ceiling hatch and investigate the dusty attic right away.
Stand back, everyone. I am pulling the heavy wooden attic stairs down now. It's pitch black up here. Be careful.
Wait, I'm coming too.
There is so much old dust up here. I can barely see the corners.
Stay very close to me, Leo. Whatever stole our things is definitely hiding nearby.
Look at that dark corner.
What is it?
All of our missing shiny things are piled together.
Wow, you're right.
I can't believe it. Let me shine the bright light behind that thick beam.
Oh my goodness.
It is not a scary monster, it is a tiny ferret.
He looks so terrified and skinny.
He must be a lost pet from somewhere.
Did you find the scary monster up there? Are we all completely safe now?
It is just a tiny lost ferret up there, not a scary monster at all.
We can use Charlie's plastic travel carrier to catch the little ferret safely. This heavy blue carrier will make the perfect safe house for our new guest. Set the blue plastic carrier down quietly.
Okay, got it. I am putting my shiny silver spoon right inside to tempt him out.
The ferret is looking right at the shiny silver spoon now. Look at how incredibly long and flexible to his tiny furry body stretches. Oh no! Wait.
He moved way too fast for me to close the plastic door. That sneaky little ferret just stole our bait and escaped to the high beams.
I almost had him. This dusty wooden floor is incredibly slippery in wool socks.
Do not worry, Jason. I brought my trusty green fishing net to catch him.
Careful, he's fast!
There it goes! Get it! I'm on it! Whoa! Almost gotcha! Look out! The beam! The dust! I'm blind!
Cobwebs everywhere!
I am coming up to help.
Oh, gross. A giant sticky cobweb hit me.
Whoa, this dusty wooden floor is incredibly slippery with all these silly white feathers.
There it goes! Get the flashlight!
It's heading for the kitchen!
I'll get it with the net. Hold still!
I almost had it! It's too fast!
Don't let it escape!
It's gone again! Look everywhere!
Finally, we caught him. Now we will take him back to his owner.
He was quite the adventurer.
For more English learning videos, visit our channel and keep practicing with us.